Hi guys, my name is Akash Ubale. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will see how to start using Instagram for business. A step-by-step guide, a beginner guide. Let's see the step-by-step process. First step, optimize your strength. What are your main objective and plan about it. So just take a pen and pencil and write down your skills. Make a plan in which industry you want to make your page. Second step, to optimize your profile photo, your bio and many more things. Let me show you. This is my Instagram page. I am using Insets. It's a web. So this is my Instagram page, DigiSky. This is my bio. DigiSky is a professional web and designing development education page based on Mumbai, India. This is my link, a YouTube link. Okay. So let's see the third step. Optimize your content. Create original content. Always your content should be relevant to your topic. So always make a relevant content to your topic. Let me show you. Let's click over here. Let's go down. Make a relevant content. So this is the video all regarding YouTube. How to convert audio to text. Image remover video. So this way you have to make a relevant content regarding your video. Step 4. Use image, photo or company logo. So I am using my photo. Let me show you. I am using my photo regarding. Right now I have not made a logo on DigiSky, so I am using my logo. Step 5. Do a proper research on hashtag, so it will help you to boost your content. For example purpose, I will show you. Let's go over here. Let's go down. Show you. Do a proper research on hashtag like this. Step 6. Perfect post get more reach. Step 7. Always look at the analytics and keep improving, and always see at what time you are posting your content or video. So basically it says check your analytics, keep improving your content, and always see exactly at what time you are posting your content or videos. Step 8. How many engagement you are getting. Check out how many views, reach, profile visit you are getting, and so on. So before, let me tell you, this is our YouTube channel. Just please subscribe to my channel. We make high quality videos. Thank you. Feel free to approach us if you have any questions.